Alright everyone, this is Colpster's a snowboarder. This is my fourth try at making a video. And basically, I have the HTC Inspire right here. I'm going to go through a quick software tour, just the basic stuff. If you want any other help or guidance through this, go ahead and message, comment, rate, subscribe, do whatever you want. Just try and get a hold of me. Anyways, yeah, so I'll be using my YouTube more often now that I have internet and I'm living in the States. So basically right here, this is the home screen. Doesn't look like this necessarily, but I've customized it to what I want it to look like. I just have my banking stuff right here, most of my messaging on the left, and some internet Skype type stuff on the top. Anyways, there's the three main keys besides the four navigations at the bottom. The first one lists all of your apps. You can just scroll through all of those if you want. If you've heard of any apps and you want any guidance through any of them, go ahead and let me know. You can go ahead and look up some of the apps yourself. And then, like I said, I'll go through any of them if you need some help with them. But that's the basic phone right here. I can't show you the top part because that has information. But the bottom part, as you can see, that's the basic dialer. If you push this, it hides it, and you can scroll through all of your recent contacts and your like the rest of your contacts. If you push this button, wow, it goes to your recent calls, call history, which I'm not going to clear out this time. I'll just blur it out. But it goes through your call history. Here we have online directories. You can change, or you can link them to your Facebook or your Twitter accounts. It'll add all the pictures to your contacts, which is pretty good. And you can group your contacts, so that's basic call setup. Also over here we have personalize. Scene, wallpaper, skin, widget, app, shortcut folder, sound set, ringtone, notification, sound, alarm. Basic settings, since this is what always changes on phones, like they never have something specifically set. So we have personalize, which you can change your, it's the same as the shortcut right here. Wireless networks, you can connect to wireless, mobile networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all that good stuff. Call, just some call settings. Display, animation, brightness, screen timeout, all this other stuff. Sorry, that was my hand. Sounds, just volume, sound profiles. Accounts and sync, like I said, it syncs your Facebook, etc. Location, turns on your location so apps can use your location to help you search for stuff. Search just lets you go through anything. You can use Google search or phone search. Pretty self-explanatory. Privacy, you can set your privacy, your passwords, etc. Connect to PC. Security, power saver. Just go through all of your screen shut off, screen brightness, all that stuff. Applications, SD phone and storage. The bad thing about this phone is you can't access your phone storage, like your SD card or your actual phone storage, unless you have this app, ES File Explorer, right there. I'll go through that more if you want me to later, but you can't access it unless you have that app. Anyways, date and time setting, language keyboard, which allows you to change your main language of the phone, and your texting input, like QWERTY, like all your messaging settings are right there. Accessibility, I'm not sure. You have to set it up. I've done pretty good for 3 weeks without it, so voice input and output. Text to speech, you can actually speak with this phone when you're messaging. I can go through messaging on another tutorial. I just wanted to do a quick software tour of this phone. HTC software updates, just click that and it'll start searching for updates, and about the phone gives you all your phone information. So there's 7 screens. You can click this home key at the bottom to view all 7 screens. If you're in any application and you click the home screen again, it automatically goes to that screen. And today, I actually found out the recent apps button. I had no idea how to do that. I don't read the instructions when I get a phone. It's probably bad, but I don't think anyone does. So all you do is you hold the home key and you get the 8 recent apps that you've used. And so yeah, that's something that I found out today. I'll probably find out some more on the way, but I've only had this phone for 3 weeks, so if I don't cover anything that you've already covered, go ahead, comment, and let everyone else know. But yeah, that's the basics. You can set up however you want. These are Android apps. No, these are widgets. And the smaller ones are the apps. I didn't know that before. I'm sure all of you guys did. Anyways, so these are, on my far left, I've got like the weather, the news, blah blah blah, next games, then the time and profile, etc. You can see that. It's my main screen. To the right, more media type stuff, camera, camcorder, music. Then also there's no memo on this phone, so I downloaded Safe Notes, and you just enter a pin and you can write whatever you want. And then Color Note, you can make checklists or just basic notepad stuff. ES File Explorer is a definite must. I would recommend definitely, because like I said before, you can't view your files unless you have that. And ES Task Manager just lets you quit tasks that are running, just like Control-Alt-Delete on a Windows PC. Then to the right I have just some more apps, some movie stuff, some money, some plain crap, travel stuff, and then more media stuff at the bottom, camera, voice recorder, calendar, just random stuff. And then next, news, random crap again, some more mail stuff, and more media. And it does come with a flashlight. It's pretty bright. There's 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that got any brighter. Yep, ow, my eyes. Yeah. That's the brightest. So off, on. Yeah, it's pretty bright. I like it. I've never had a phone with a flashlight on it, so it's pretty cool. But I'm at 8 minutes, so if you guys want to go over any of the applications that I haven't really briefly gone over any, but just quickly, you can go search somewhere for basic apps on Androids or the iPhone, and let me know if you want me to go over any, or the messaging. I'll definitely go over for you guys. I just wanted to quickly go over this phone. There's so much on it that you can talk about, so I will go over the messaging later. Just comment, rate, subscribe, and ask me about whatever you want. Once again, this is HTC Inspire, and Colbs, there's a snowboarder, signing out. Peace.